Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be another wash and go tutorial. Today I'm going to be using oil in my wash and go. I've never used an oil in my wash and go, so this will be a challenge to see if it comes out oily, if my hair seems to be more moisturized, you know, just to try it out to see, because I usually don't use an oil in it. So we're going to see how this works, how this comes out. So if you want to see me style my hair using an oil, please keep watching.
Don't touch my hair.
Okay, so I washed my hair and deep conditioned my hair. I used the Herbal Essence shampoo and conditioner, and then I deep conditioned it with Mish Beauty, the Indulge deep conditioner, and that deep conditioner is just so bomb. I love it, love it, love it. This is my hair. Now, I got a new camera, can you guys tell? I got new audio, can you tell? Hopefully the mic is working today. In my last video, my mic was not working, but we're gonna hope that it works today, okay? So we're gonna go in with some protein cocktail leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna just spray this in my hair just to put some protein in my hair. I did a protein treatment about a week ago. I did a protein treatment, so I did a moisturizing deep conditioner today, so I'm going to try to balance it out with some protein in my hair. And since my hair wants to part this way, I'm going to just keep my hair parted this way. I usually never wear a part on this side, but I will today just to switch things up a bit. So this will be my leave-in. I think I'm going to use the liquid cream oil. Yeah, a liquid cream oil method. So I'm gonna do a liquid. No, I'm gonna do a liquid and oil. What am I gonna do? I don't even know, because this is my first time doing this. Should I just put the oil on top? Should I put it after I want to seal in the moisture. So I'm gonna do a liquid, my cream, then my oil. Then I'm gonna go on top with the styler. So it sounds like a lot of product, but it's probably not gonna be that much. So I'm going to just finish really saturating my hair with this stuff. All right, so my cream I'm going to use is this Texture ID styling cream. You guys have seen this on my channel plenty of times. I'm going to just apply this not heavily. I'm gonna apply this all over my hair to seal in the liquid that I just applied in my hair. And this, actually I could stop here with my styler. It's just this because this is a styler, but I'm going to go on top of it with an oil to seal it in, and then some gel. I want to try my new gel I got too, so I'm just do that. And excuse the background noises. I'm filming while my family's home. They don't seem to respect the camera when it's on, so we're gonna just keep moving. And I'm just detangling with my wet brush here. Just smoothing actually I'm not really detangling. Well, I am detangling. I just want to smooth that product into my hair so it won't just be sitting on my hair. I want it to penetrate my hair shaft and go all the way through. So that's what I'm doing here. Alright, so I have my liquid in, I have my cream. I'm going to use my oil to seal everything in. I'm going to be using just this balancing jojoba oil. I want to use a lightweight oil, something that's not going to, you know, weigh my hair down and make my hair feel oily. So I'm going to just squirt a little bit of this into my hands. Probably about that much, which is probably a lot, but I'm making a mess. I'm going to just smooth this onto my hair. Really want to focus it on my ends, because I want my ends to be sealed the most. And for my styler, I'm going to be using this Eco Style Professional Styling Gel for colored hair. I recently saw this in my local beauty supply store, $3.99, and I was like, oh, this is for colored hair. I mean, I just colored my hair. I was like, well, let me try it out. So I'm going to, see if I can open the top. Let's see. It has a flip top to it, and I'm going to just apply about that much to this whole section of hair here. And I'm doing big sections because honestly, I see a more super defined wash and go when I do smaller sections, but I just don't feel like doing that today, so I'm trying to, you know, literally do a wash and go. Hurry up and wash my hair and go and get it done with, and hope that I have bomb results, bomb moisturized results. I hope this oil interacts well with this gel, but we'll see. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's still wet, so you know, you really can't, it looks moisturized, but because it's wet, so I really can't see a huge difference in my hair. But I'm going to just apply this to the other side and let you guys watch. Alright guys, so this is my hair after I have, you know, applied all the products to my hair. My hair feels really good. It doesn't feel, you know, weighed down or anything like that with all of the products I have in it. I'm hoping that all these products dry in my hair. It don't take 5 hours to do. So we'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and let this air dry for about an hour. I may sit under a hooded dryer. It's kind of late. I think it's like 5:30 now. So it's late in the day, so I can't let it sit here and air dry all night. So I'm going to sit under a hooded hair dryer and then come back and show you guys tomorrow what my hair looks like after I take it down, and also let you guys know how long it took for my hair to dry. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the next day. I let my hair air dry, and this is I actually did blow dry it a little bit. I diffused it last night because it was still damp in a little bitty areas. My hair has a nice sheen to it. However, I do feel like I may have put a tad bit too much oil on my hair, but my hair does look super moisturized. Alright guys, so this is how my hair looks. This is the back of my hair here. I love being able to, oops. I love being able to turn around in my chair now. I'll show you guys the front, the back, the sides, everything. So I guess using oil didn't really do that much of a difference. It did make my hair look, you know, a lot more moisturized. My hair does not look, you hear my baby in the background. My hair does not look weighed down or heavy. It does not, I don't have as much frizz as I usually do have. But I like it. I actually like the way it turned out. I would use less oil next time, and hopefully that's another thing. So whenever I'm like picking my hair out this morning, I did have some oil residue on my hands, but it wasn't like crazy a lot. My oil did not seep through my sleeping cap last night onto my pillow, so that's a good thing as well. I would suggest use a light oil like this one. This is, you know, like I said, the jojoba oil, jojoba or jojoba, however you say it. That oil, and it worked out perfect for my hair. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Excuse my daughter who's taking a bath and wants to scream in while I'm trying to film. That's her saying Malia. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel on your way out. Most of all, leave me a comment and come back for my next video, because I'm trying to be consistent. And my daughter's being consistent with talking. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye.